feel a rust level, or is it just like back in the groove?
Rest level?
Rust.
Oh, okay.
So,
No, man, no. I'm going as much as they tell me to go, and if they tell me, sit out for a period of time, I do as I'm told. But it's just great being in the atmosphere. Fortunately, I know the plays already, so it's real good just to take the mental reps, physical reps as much as I can do. I try to take advantage of it.
There is something to be said about quarterback-receiver chemistry. How have you and Tyrod been able to kind of pick up where you left off there during the veteran minicamp?
Yeah, I think so. We did a lot of working out during the off season, outside of here, away from here, on a consistent basis, and I got a real good feel for where he likes to put the ball on certain routes, and I think he's got a feel for gauging my speed and where he can anticipate me to be. So it's really picking up like exactly where we left off. It seems that there's no hitch in it at all. So even that walkthrough, he's consistent, and it's awesome, honestly.
Do you just, even though you had to take a little bit of time out there, do you still feel really poised to make that big splash, and can you get that rolling on Sunday?
I feel like the biggest piece of it is making sure I'm locked in and knowing what I'm trying to do, as an individual, as a player, and as a teammate going forward. And I think first and foremost, really, personal stuff aside, I'm thinking of getting a win. How can I help my team get a win this Sunday? In the most crucial point of the game, what can I do to help put us over the edge if I'm needed? So I really just want to get a win.
Between you, Jarvis, Antonio, you got a couple other rookies mixed in there as well. I remember you saying something to the effect that you felt that collectively you guys had the best receiving core in the league. Do you still feel that way? And going into this season, what is knowing what you have at the position, do for you?
It's it's a sense of relief. It's not like it's not there's no lack of pressure, it's something like that. But you do know you can count on the other players at the position to really hold up their end, and there's no like, I need to worry, or it's going to rely too far heavily on somebody than the other. We kind of can share the load pretty evenly, and it makes it a lot less, I guess, stressful, you could say, worried about what you have to do. So it makes the game enjoyable, it makes it fun, it makes practice that much more competitive. We move that much faster, you're thinking a lot less. And for me, I want to see them do well. I want to see Jarvis go make plays. I want to see Callaway make crazy plays. And I'm a fan of the game and the position. So I'm out there. If I'm not in, I'm trying to coach up and help out as much as I can. So I love the dynamic that we have. I never had it before, and it's awesome. It's real like family oriented. It feels like they're my brothers, and I call them my brothers. So yeah.